Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today is the day after Sankranthi. It is very early in the morning now, just not even 6 a.m. And this day we have a special festival, especially for ladies and young girls also. We get up early in the morning and as usual decorate the outside with rangoli. And then with all the items which we have prepared, yesterday we have kept some of this pongal, that is this ven pongal, sakra pongal, the sweet pongal, the koot, and the different kinds of rice we make with the remaining rice, that is curd rice. This is yellow or turmeric rice and red rice made with kumkumam. Now this is a tubers of fresh turmeric. We buy this fresh turmeric plant along with the roots and we tie it around the pot in which we prepared the pongal yesterday. So this morning we remove these fresh tubers, take these leaves of the good leaves of the turmeric plant, and the first thing we do is each girl goes to the senior lady of the house, the elderly lady of the house, and makes them mark the forehead with this manjal kirangu or turmeric tuber. This is to get her blessings. It's a very beautiful sentiment where it's quite a long blessing which they give. I'll give you a few lines which I can tell you now. It goes something like this. Seerodam sirapodam மாமியாரோடும் மருமகளோடும் பிள்ளையோடும் பேர பிள்ளைகளோடும் தொங்க தொங்க தாலி கட்டி நீ என்றென்றும் சிரித்த முகனுடன் வாழ வேண்டும். Meaning you should always have welfare and prosperity. May you be happily married. May your sons and daughters-in-law also be happy with you. May your mother-in-law be happy with you. May your sister-in-law be happy with you. And may you have happiness always in your life. It's a very long song and what we have to do next is we take all these up, go to the terrace, and then we place these leaves and then place small balls of each of these and pray for the welfare of our brothers. And then we offer all this and we celebrate it as something which we do with the other beings in the world, that is the birds. We say kaka pidi veche, kanu pidi veche. That is a small ball of rice for the crow. Kuruviki Simantam, it is the baby shower for the sparrow. And Enga Kutam, Kakai Kutam Pol Kalayamal Irkanam. That is, our family should always be united like that of the crow. So let us go and see that now. This is a plate having all the preparations. I have taken them. And in this one, I have got the turmeric leaves, a little bit of water for cleaning the place and some rangoli for drawing a column, betel leaf, betel nut and fruit which we keep at the side. Come, let's go upstairs. We have sprinkled some water, put rangoli for each person who is going to keep the kanupadi and place these turmeric leaves, two leaves for each person. And now we have to take and take small balls of this and keep them in odd number, say 7 or 9 or 11. Kaka pidi, kanu pidi, kakaikum kuruvikum kalyanam. Likewise with each. First I kept the sakra pongal. Now I'll do with the ven pongal also. Quite early in the morning, very calm, and the sun is just beginning to rise in the horizon. See, this is the curd rice. So we have kept the ven pongal, the sweet pongal, the kumkumam rice, curd rice, and also the rice made with turmeric powder. Little bit of this coot also. If you're alone, don't keep as a single one, keep it as 2 leaves, as I have done today. So make it as 2 naivedyams. Then stand facing the sun and now we pray for the welfare of our brothers, so that the brothers and sisters should always be united, and we pray for our brother and his family so that they have a very healthy, happy and long life. All this is left here for the crows to eat, along with this banana and bt leaf. Somebody might collect it also. So now we have celebrated Kanu Festival. After this, we are supposed to eat a handful each of the curd rice which we have brought. We eat that, then we go down and take a bath, a head bath, and then get ready for the day. Here is my curd rice which I have to take a little bit of it. So happy Kanu to all of you. May you always be blessed with wealth, prosperity and happiness, and may your family stay together happy always. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and tap the bell icon for notification about my latest video.